Did you guys know that there is a cuisine in India called Indo-Chinese? It is like it's amazing. It's like the best food ever. It's like the fusion of Indian and Chinese flavors because Chinese immigrated to Kolkata back in the day, and they brought over their spices and their dishes, and they kind of like fused it with Indian food, and it's just like this burst of flavor. There are not that many Indo-Chinese restaurants around this area. I would love to see some. So that leads us to kind of making it at home. And my Masi, shout out to baby Masi, she makes the best chili chicken. It is a fusion, Indo-Chinese fusion dish, and I made it last night, so I decided to do a little video about it because everybody needs to try chili chicken. I put my own little spin on it. My measurements are not great, because I hate measuring. Like it's too tedious for me. Putting things together like instructions and like following instructions to the T and measuring this teaspoon of this and teaspoon of that, it gives me a little anxiety. So I just kind of go with the flow, throw stuff in there. I give the best kind of measurements I can, but you get the gist. So enjoy this cuisine. It is so good. It turned out really spicy, so you might want to lessen my spice ingredients if you don't like food too spicy. But I genuinely enjoy Indo-Chinese cuisine, and I know you will too if you like flavor.